Welcome back, healthy humans. Welcome to our warm-up video with Kylo. Kylo, what are you doing? We need to get into our warm-up. So we've got a 5-minute warm-up video. It's nice and easy and simple. You guys can pair this with any one of our workouts on YouTube. And Kylo's going to demonstrate if I can get him to concentrate. Okay, so Kylo, go ahead and start with some jogging, some light jogging. That's right. 5 minutes here. We've got to get him to focus. Let's get his mind right here. That's right. Good job. I'm going to do that for a little bit. Catching your breath. Start to breathe. That's right. I hear him breathing. Good job. Got to make sure he keeps the air going there. Gets hot in there. We've got 10 seconds left. Good. All right, Kai, we're going to go into butt kicks, okay? And now. Good. Woohoo! So you're hitting it high. You guys stick those heels to your butt. Even if you can't touch, that's the idea. You want to keep it going. If you need low impact, just step it instead of adding the jog. Good job. That's right. Keep breathing. About 30 seconds left. Are you guys ready for the new Star Wars video? Star Wars movie? Of course, if you're watching this and it's already come and you haven't seen it yet, go check it out. Make sure you guys subscribe to our channel. We need lots of support. We love our fitness community. In about 10 seconds, we're going to switch it up to high knees in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And go into high knees there. Oh, yeah. You guys can send us some comments. You can send Kai some fan mail. That's right. Get those knees nice and high if you can. Some people like to cheat and they bring their hands down to their knees, but see if you can bring your knees up really high. Good. That's right. And everybody's flexibility level is different, so maybe the knees will go out to the side. Maybe you can get them up more straight into the center. That's okay. Whatever works. The idea is just to keep things flowing, get the blood moving, circulation going, getting that heart rate up before you do a workout. About 15 seconds left. After this, we're going to go ahead and do some light lunge jumps, lunge hops. If you need low impact, just step into those lunges. And go ahead, Kai, show us those lunge hops, lunge jumps. There we go. He is so awesome to do these moves for us today. Good. And we always keep the knee back. You always press it into the heels and then he switches. Nice. Boy, I think he's got his fight on. He's like ready to fight in those lunges. Wow. This is impressive. He's doing a touchdown also. So you guys can do that, or you can just keep your hands on your hips. Doesn't really matter. The touchdown is awesome. Gives you a little more movement. Keep on going for about 30 more seconds. Just keep those knees back. If you guys have a hard time doing that, you just put your legs back further, or you just drop down with the back knee more, but you always want to make sure it's not going above the ankles. And everything, all the weight is in the heels, not into your toes. You don't want pressure into the toes. We've got 5 more seconds. Let's get a few really good ones there. Nice, nice. Yeah, and last one. Woo, baby. Okay, we're going to do a shuffle touchdown. So I want you guys to like shuffle to one side and touchdown. Shuffle to the other side and touchdown. Let's go, Kylo, go. Show us what you got. Me, machine. Yeah, and tap down. Woo. And opposite arm to opposite leg. Yeah, tap down. Keep that knee back. Don't let it go over your ankle. Woo, much better. All right, good. Nice, and touchdown. Good. And let's do the next one, and touchdown. Ooh, yeah, I love that form. That is looking good. Good adjustments. Woo! Keep it moving. Let's do that shuffle a little faster, because we only have 30 seconds left. So shuffle fast. Come on, Kai. I know you can do this. You're a fighter. I don't know who we're rooting for, but I don't know. I've kind of got a favorite, if you ask me. That's right. We want to go for Kai because, you know, he'd be sad. He might cry. Keep it in the heels. No toes. We've got 5 seconds left. Let me see you go faster. Really bring that shuffle on. Yes! Yes, let's do 2 more. And 1, bam, 2. Woo! Stretch it out, baby. Maybe just open up your arms, stretch the chest, get a little hip twist. Yeah, nice. Anything you want to say? Oh, that was a piece of cake. Was that easy for you? Oh, really? Okay, well, we might have to have him do some harder workouts here soon. Yeah, have you guys seen him do the, we've got a quick 10-minute HIIT type workout where you do the push-ups with the burpees, with the jackknives. He's in a couple of our other videos, so make sure you check them out because he is a stud. All right, we'll see you soon. See you later. Bam.